In Israel, have you noticed civilians carrying weapons like assault rifles on the streets and in public areas? If you're not familiar with this, it might seem surprising, but there's a reason behind it. Many of the young people you see with weapons are actually off-duty soldiers. In Israel, military service is mandatory, and soldiers are often encouraged to take their weapons home even when off-duty. This practice helps them stay prepared for emergencies and adds an extra layer of public security. Despite the visible presence of firearms, the rate of firearm-related accidents is extremely low. So, if you see someone carrying a weapon on the street, there's usually no cause for concern. Israel's population is well-trained, disciplined, and highly educated, and the country remains one of the safest in the world.